Welcome to Lesson 6 of our course on Foreign Language 2 about Conversational Arabic for Hospitality Management. This lesson is about hotel check-in in Arabic. Week 7, or Week 6 I should say, focuses on the check-in process, a pivotal moment in a guest's stay. And in checking in, clear communication ensures a smooth experience for everyone. Key topics. 1. Confirming reservations. Review how to confirm reservations in Arabic, including details like the guest's name, Ismun Nazil, and booking information. Practice verifying reservation details with guests. Number 2, issuing room keys and cards. Learn to provide guests with their room keys or key cards in Arabic. Understand the phrases for instructing guests on how to use these keys. Number 3, explaining hotel facilities and services. Familiarize yourself with vocabulary related to hotel facilities such as the pool, al-masbah, or the restaurant, al-mat'am. Practice offering information about available services. Number 4, addressing special requests. Handle any special requests guests may have during check-in, such as room preferences or additional services. Ensure that guests' needs and preferences are met. By the end of week 6, you will be equipped to welcome guests in Arabic and efficiently navigate the check-in process. Remember that friendly and clear communication is key to creating a positive experience for your guests. Continue practicing your Arabic language skills as they will be invaluable in your role in hospitality management. Now, let's delve into the lesson proper. Introduction. Welcome to Lesson 6 of our Conversational Arabic for Hospitality Management course. In this lesson, we will dive into the intricacies of the hotel check-in process and explore effective communication in Arabic. The significance of check-in. Check-in is a pivotal moment in a guest's stay. Smooth and efficient check-in processes contribute to a positive guest experience. Clear communication during check-in is crucial for ensuring accuracy and satisfaction. Confirming reservations in Arabic. Begin by confirming reservations. For example, you would say, "Welcome to our hotel. May I have your name, please?" مرحبا في فندقنا. هل يمكنني معرفة اسمك من فضلك؟ Let me repeat. مرحبا في فندقنا. هل يمكنني معرفة اسمك من فضلك؟ مرحبا في فندقنا. هل يمكنني معرفة اسمك من فضلك؟ Can you provide the reservation details? Or in Arabic, هل يمكنك تقديم تفاصيل الحجز؟ هل يمكنك تقديم تفاصيل الحجز؟ هل يمكنك تقديم تفاصيل الحجز؟ Issuing room keys and cards. Proceed with issuing room keys or cards. For example, you would say, here is your room key. It's room number 305. إليك مفتاح غرفتك. إنها غرفة رقم 305. إليك مفتاح غرفتك. إنها غرفة رقم 305. إليك مفتاح غرفتك. إنها غرفة رقم 305. Please insert your key into the slot to activate it. Or you would say in Arabic, يرجى إدخال المفتاح في الفتحة لتفعيله. يرجى إدخال المفتاح في الفتحة لتفعيله. يرجى إدخال المفتاح في الفتحة للتفعيل. Explaining hotel facilities and services. Provide information about hotel facilities and services. We have, for example, you would say, we have a swimming pool on the 3rd floor. In Arabic, لدينا مسبح في الطابق الثالث. 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 The restaurant is open for breakfast from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. أطعمه مفتوح لتناول الإفطار من 7 صباحا حتى 10 صباحا. الأطعم مفتوح لتناول الإفطار من 7 صباحا حتى 10 صباحا. المطعم مفتوح لتناول الإفطار من 7 صباحا حتى 10 صباحا. Addressing special requests. Inquire about and address any special requests. For example, is there anything specific you would like for your stay? هل هناك أي شيء خاص توده خلال إقامتك؟ هل هناك أي شيء خاص توده خلال إقامتك؟ هل هناك أي شيء خاص توده خلال إقامتك؟ We will do our best to make your stay comfortable. سنبذل قصارى جهدنا لجعل إقامتك مريحة. سنبذل قصارى جهدنا لجعل إقامتك مريحة. سنبذل قصارى جهدنا لجعل إقامتك مريحة. Vocabulary for check-in. Familiarize yourself with key vocabulary for the check-in process. Room number, رقم الغرفة. Floor, طابق. Check-in form. نموذج تسجيل الوصول. نموذج تسجيل الوصول. During your role play exercise, during your spare time, practice the check-in process in pairs or groups. Simulate scenarios where you take on the roles of hotel staff and guests during the check-in process. Conclusion. In Lesson 6, we have delved into the hotel check-in process and effective communication in Arabic. Clear and friendly communication during check-in contributes to a positive guest experience and sets the tone for their stay. Questions and discussion. I will now open the floor to questions and discussions. Feel free to ask anything related to today's lesson or the hotel check-in process in Arabic. This concludes Lesson 6 about hotel check-in in Arabic. In the upcoming lessons, we will continue to build your practical Arabic language skills for various aspects of hospitality management. Next time, we will try to look into some review questions for Lesson 6, which is about hotel check-in in Arabic. See you then.